Most of the world's rainforests are in a 3,000-mile band around the equator. The trapjaw ants protect the conifers flower that gives them a meal. A poison dart frog takes cover under a bromeliad plant which is unaffected. Leeches latch onto animals and drink away the blood, so the leech benefits and the animals are harmed. Howler monkeys have big molars to be able to chew through leaves in the rainforest. Sloths have adapted long sharp claws to defend themselves because of their slow speed. Large beaks are on a toucan so it can peel fruit, attract mates, or scare off some predators. This is a coffee plant. The coffee plant adapts by producing a poison that causes a rough taste to keep predators away from eating this plant. The banana plant can grow 25 feet high and use its huge leaves to absorb sunlight when it's needed. Venus flytraps have adapted because when a fly or insect step on a trigger hair, the Venus flytrap will eat the insect.